Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this star crochet. This is a 6-pointed star stitch and it looks complicated, but once you get familiar with how it is done, then it's really not hard to do. The way I remember how to do it is to see this point as a V stitch. So it's like I'm making V, chain 3, then single crochet on the chain 5 of the V part of the previous round. And if you remember that, then it's not really hard to do and avoid mistake by looking for that pattern all the time, the V pattern, the V stitch that has a chain 5 between the two posts of the V. So to do it, we're just repeating this set of stitches. So I already started. So after the single crochet, we chain 3, then make a V stitch, a double crochet V stitch, then after making one double crochet, then we make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make the other arm of the V into the single crochet, and so the V stitch is formed. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the space of the V stitch, which is the chain 5 part of the V stitch. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and V stitch on top of the next single crochet. So one arm of the V is made up of double crochet, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another double crochet to finish the V stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the chain 5 of the V stitch. So it just keep repeating the same set of stitches across. So after that single crochet, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on top of the next single crochet to make a V stitch. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and complete the V stitch by making the double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the chain 5 space. So you are working on the previous row V. So that's how it looks, and you will be repeating the same set of stitches over and over until you meet the desired length of the project. And I will show you how to start this pattern so that you can make your own project and customize it to the size that you want. I thank you all for watching this short video, and I look forward to showing you how to do this pattern. Thank you all very much.